Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to cancel a milestone with an existing contract in Upwork. So first, you want to go to the top left hand corner and select Jobs. And on the drop down box, select All Contracts. Now, for this example, I don't have any active contracts, so I'll show you another. Here you can see there's a contract for a graphic designer, and towards the right are three dots. You want to click the three dots, and on the drop down box, select Milestones and Payments. This will open up the contract's current milestones and payments activities, showing the budget, how much is in escrow, milestones paid, and the amount remaining. And towards the right, there should be a button called Add and or Edit Milestones. You want to click that, and that will open up the contract changes. Here you'll see the current active milestones or the future ones. The only thing to note here is that you can only edit future milestones. You cannot edit any current ones. So for any future milestones that you want to delete, go towards the right hand side, and there should be a trash can that you can select, and that will allow you to delete each milestone. And this will notify the freelancer of what you're trying to do. So thank you for listening.